Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawar from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to sell what you want to sell. Either it's your household thing or it's your business product on Facebook. So the button about the marketplace is in between the notification and the video button. That is here. So let's begin the video how to sell the product on Facebook. First, simply you have to click on this marketplace button and click on the sell option, and after clicking the sell option, here you will select the items and you have to simply give some photos related to your items. You have to fill some detail about your item. I'm going to click on the photos option, add photos, and clicking on add photos you will simply get access to your gallery. You have to select some pictures that best describe about your product. I'm going to select this, and after that this picture, and after that this one. I believe that these three pictures best describe about my product. That's basically an iron cupboard that I'm going to sell for your understanding purpose. And then you have to click on the next. Here you have to add some title about your product that best describe about your product, how your product is made, and what your product is, and where you are going to sell the product, and the prices and the category and the condition and the description that is already given by the Facebook as an option to add. So I'm going to give a title that is iron cupboard for sale. I think it would be better, or for home purpose. It is also better title. Iron cupboard for home use, it is also better title. So I'm little bit confused about the title. Here it is also called almara or almari in a local language in Pakistan. So I'm also adding these words so that buyers can be easily accessible for me, or buyers can easily search about the product. So iron cupboard for home. Now I'm going to add price. The price I would believe that it would be 18,000, and it will be negotiable. Now I'm going to select the category. The category is basically the furniture category. I'm going to select the furniture here, and I'm going to add the condition as per the condition listed. I believe that is like new because I have already maintained it very well during the utility. And you can also add a description here. Right now I'm not adding it. These all are the optional options that you want. If you don't want to add, you can ignore it. Now I am going to add this color that is brown, and these all are the basic requirements that are required to publish. I'm a little bit confused about the title. I want to change it. I think it would be more better to add the city where I'm going to sell. For sale in Karachi, like I'm here in Karachi, and it would be more better to attract more people to add some description like its price is negotiable, or I'm going to deliver it free of cost, or 50% discount on delivery, like this delivery within this space, like this. You can attract your buyer. And now simply I'm going to publish it. It will give me a view of how it is published to the buyer. It is basically published. Now I'm going to click on the post so that I can better understand about how the buyers can view my product. So basically my listing is in review. Facebook market policy makers have been reviewing my post. In the meanwhile, we are going to view the post. Here you can zoom the picture also, like I'm going to zoom my first picture like this so that buyer can more understand. And here you can also list it in more places, like you have some groups of your office or some groups of your friends, like there you can also post it so that more buyers can be attracted. So here you have the options of list in group. I'm going to first select this group. I have clicked and it is listed in that group. So this feature also enable you to attract more buyer. I hope that you understand how to sell product on Facebook at your home, sitting at your home or sitting in your shop. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep sharing the video and keep learning about new things in your life. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.